Today I'm looking a mess, so we're creating a makeover. I'll be using some flat irons that I don't know the name to, some coconut oil, and a brush. First I rub a little coconut oil through my hair. Next I take small sections, brush them out, and I use the chase method to flat iron. I'm sure you guys noticed how thin my hair is, and plus I'd like a few more inches, so I'm going to be starting a hair journey pretty soon. If you guys have any tips on products I should use, leave them in the comments below. So my husband called me upstairs because he had to go to the store, so I had to get the kids. Now when I went upstairs, my hair was straight, okay? I didn't go outside, I didn't sweat, I didn't do any physical activity, and look at my hair. This is why I do not wear my hair straight. Like, look at it. Look, it's a whole curl right here. How, Sway? I mean, this was the part I hadn't done yet, and this looks equivalent to this. Now y'all see my dilemma? Let's just keep going. The goal here wasn't curls, it was more of a wavy look, so I took medium-sized sections and I wine curled them. Then I run my fingers through my hair, you know, like Jay Holiday. I hardly ever wear makeup, so let's start this very basic tutorial with a little bit of primer. I lost my Anastasia, so when my husband went to the store, I told him to give me some dip brow, and this is what he brought. Since my brows are so terrible right now, my method is kind of to just go in with the brow powder, create a shape, and then I'll use my concealer later to sharpen up the edges. This is the foundation I use for my oily skin. I haven't been using it that long, but so far I like it. I'm going to use that same concealer to highlight. I didn't have anything to contour with, but I'm gonna just use some of this brow stuff. It'll be alright. This is the only eyeshadow palette that I own, and I got it for free at Ulta.
gonna put on some mascara before I apply my lashes, and since I suck so bad at putting them on, we'll just jump to what it looks like when I'm done. Can y'all believe I don't own any lipstick? So for my lips, I just use coconut oil. For the last step, I take my hair down, style it, and do my edges. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. My hair is frizzy already, but that's okay because I have nowhere to go except for my couch. Remember, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where Chloe gonna create something new.